Look at that, perfectly cooked, 360.
Look at that.
We're gonna take some good kitchen shears and we're gonna cut out that backbone, willy-nilly, it's a big chicken. And that's something Jeffrey Zakarian taught me back in the day.
Woo!
So we're not even gonna spatchcock. We're gonna actually take it even farther, Rach, and talk about a delicious way to fortify your gravy and give it even more flavor. Don't throw this backbone away. That's all collagen and fat and flavor, right? We can throw that in there. And now you can easily just hold it up like that. Watch how easy this is, Rachel. Boom.
Oh my God, he picked it up by the leg and
look at that. Not bad for a sandwich guy, Rachel. Same thing. And now I got how about this? This is my favorite thing about this recipe, is we're using a vegetable roasting rack. So it's elevated by our mirepoix rough cut in there. No fancy cuts. And that way, not only are we gonna catch all those drippings and make them even more delicious with the vegetables, we're also gonna create some height to make sure we roast this turkey evenly. Again, we got that wing joint. You can find it and just zip right through it with your sharp knife.
If you guys find the joint, the knife does the work for you. You just let
and it really does is come clean, just like that. And you got wings, you got the breast. And the last move, so easy, is you take that breast and you use everything you got.
Boom!
And you can even, from the top. But we don't want to do that because then you're going to get turkey bow. And listen, nobody wants turkey elbow. So we have this, look at this. Now I've created a dry brine, Rachel, with just some fresh herbs, rosemary, thyme, salt, coarse pepper. And we're gonna take our finger, loosen that skin. We've seen people-
Loosen it. Oh, love that too.
You get into that
real people everything in like 5 minutes, man.
Exactly.
You are amazing, Jeff.
And then do that with everything. We're roasting it starting at 425. All right, let me wash my hands really quick. And when we start at 425, then we lower it after 30 minutes. It's just kind of like this magic happens where you have the perfect browning, even cooking. I actually, when I was making this bird, I'm gonna show you in a second. Look at this, Rachel.
It's magic.
It is. And what's beautiful about this is I actually pulled the thighs in drums before the breast because these finish first. So it's evenly cooked to perfect temp. Now I can grab this and get the turkey. I got plenty. Now watch this, right? I got my roux going here with a little chicken stock, some turkey.
He's juggling turkey, vegetables, roux, and gravy.
But now we got our tray here, Rach, and we're gonna plate this bird. And so much less work doing it in pieces like that, but always presents just as pretty. Put that there. Boom. And now you got all these things and you bring it to the table, all carved. You got the wings. Look at that. Look at that. Perfectly cooked. 360.
Look at that. Oh.
And I know I got to probably carve that piece too, but you got your warm gravy on the side. You put in the gravy bowl, and everybody's a winner on Thanksgiving.